Hey moms, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves. Today's video is a special video because it's a collaboration with a lot of wonderful mothers on YouTube. It is part of the A Word for Your Mother collaboration. It's in honor of Mother's Day. I'll let you check out all the amazing ladies down in the description box below. But first, let's check out yesterday's videos. First, we have God Gotcha Girl talking about self-care, and we have Maria Faith talking about audacity and how to be audacious. And also, don't forget to check out tomorrow's videos as well. This collaboration lasts for about 7 days. It started on the 1st of May and it will last until May 7, Mother's Day. So for today's look, I'm actually doing this look right here for you guys. It didn't really turn out the way I wanted, but the main thing is that I got the chance to sit with you and do our makeups together. So this is pretty much a get ready with me. This is a glam, Mother's Day glam look. So yeah, let's get started. Moms, you are beautiful. We are beautiful. With or without makeup, we are beautiful inside and out. Always remember that. No matter what you do, you are beautiful. So for today's get ready with me, I'm going to actually let you guys enjoy watching me get ready, or I'm going to let you enjoy getting ready with me for Mother's Day. I am hoping that you will rewatch this video on Mother's Day so that we can get ready together, or this video will inspire you to take care of yourself, do some makeup while you can, when you can, especially on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is our day. Mother's Day is the time that we are celebrated as beautiful mothers inside and out. So I want to do this look to inspire you on what kind of look it could do for Mother's Day. We all know that we barely have any time for ourselves every single day because we're taking care of our entire family. And so Mother's Day is the time that we get to take care of ourselves. Maybe you get to sleep in a little more on that Sunday. Maybe you'll get breakfast in bed. Maybe your children will help you with chores, no matter what it is. Beautiful moms, enjoy it. And also I want to take this time to encourage you to maybe do a little bit of makeup, because today is your day. Today is our day. It's time that you can actually take time to do your makeup. It's the day that you can actually do that, specific makeup look that you wanted for a while. It's the day, moms. So come on, let's do our makeup together. Okay, I'm going to stop talking right now, but yes, I'm going to let you enjoy getting ready with me, and hopefully this video will give you some inspiration, and happy Mother's Day, moms. Alright mom, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check the description box below for the list of the products as well as the list of the ladies collaborating in today's video. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.